How to reset Gboard settings. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can reset your Gboard settings on Android device. So for this, you want to head over to your settings, then scroll down and tap on the apps option. Now out of the applications that you have installed on your device, you want to tap on the Gboard option. Now you want to tap on the option of storage. After that, you want to tap on the clear cache option, then tap on the clear data option. Now tap on the delete option, but before you do that, remember that all of this application's data will be deleted permanently, which includes all files, settings, accounts and databases. So if you want that, go ahead and tap on the delete option. Once you do that, head back and now you want to open the Gboard app on your device. Once you open this, as you can see, all the settings on this Gboard app has been reset and now you will have to begin from the start. So you want to tap on enable in settings option, then you want to enable the Gboard from here. Tap on the OK option. After you have enabled this, you can select the input method, select Gboard. As you can see, you are all ready to go, and now when you open this, you will find that all the settings of Gboard has been reset. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.